In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2-time after Slasher update. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In Forsaken, after the Slasher update, 2-times gameplay has shifted to focus on filling an oblation bar to gain a second life by constantly landing backstabs in the killer. So if we go over here to more information, we can read about it. Like I said before, the focus is to gain a second life by landing stabs. The main strategy is to deal damage to fill the bar, use the dagger's abilities effectively, and prioritize getting stabs on the killer to build up that second life. This requires carefully timing attacks, and sometimes using the dagger while crouching for a farther lunge. So if we go over the abilities, 2-time instantly stabs forward and gains resistance. Landing a stab to the front will deal damage, heal, and apply slowness and helpless. Landing a stab to the back will do more damage, stun, and heal for even more. Using this ability while crouched quickly lunges you forward with a stab. Landing a stab on a summon does not grant oblation. So oblation is the main focus of 2-time now. This is a bar on the right side of the screen. When filled, grants them a second life. Once you deal damage, you will be filling that bar, and upon activation, your stamina will be restored by 40%, all status effects removed, 2-time is going to be invincible for 2 seconds, speed 2 applied for 6, and weakness 5 applied for 12. They will only have half as much health, so 40 instead of 80. So try to focus on carefully timing your attacks and attacking when they least expect it. Because of this change in playstyle, you really need to think about when you want to attack the killer in order to build up that oblation bar. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.